my channel. Today is a Monday and I was really excited to film a morning routine because I feel like ever since I've been back in India, and I'm here just for a couple of days, I'm going back to London in some time, but ever since I've been back, I have been trying to form a routine in the morning. So I thought, why not share this video? It's a Monday, it's the start of the week, so it's a good day to share this. Now, a lot has changed in the past few years with COVID coming in. We're all adapting to the new work from home culture. But as we do that, I feel it's essential to still be productive and to, be working, not be lazy, not be lethargic. Now, currently I am in Delhi and I will be going back to London super soon, but till the time I'm here, I'm currently studying from here and I'm also coordinating for shoots. Everything basically is happening virtually. So I thought I'll take you through my day, the things I do when I wake up, how I plan my days, how I go about my days and stay productive. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I do is I wake up around 8 in the morning, and once I'm up, I like to go and clean up my room a little bit. Usually every night when I go to bed, I try to keep my space clean, but because I'm very tired, I just kind of put things here and there, and then earlier in the morning I like to just make my bed, clean my room, and I feel like when you do that, it really clears up your headspace as well. These days I've been trying to wake up around 8, but sometimes it's 9, sometimes it's 10, really depends on the workload and on when my classes are scheduled. But 8 o'clock I feel is a good time to be up. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean up my room, set up my bed, set up my dressing table and everything else. So in the morning, I prefer drinking a glass of lukewarm water. And even in general, I like to start my days with a glass of water. It helps in digestion, it helps with inflammation. And I also fill up my bottle so I can keep sipping water throughout the day. Now let's go ahead and make our to-do list. So I feel like every day having a to-do list really helps you stay on track with things that you have to do. So you don't skip out on things, you don't miss things. I just think it's a great way to go about your day. So this is the journal that I've been using to maintain my to-do, to maintain like my weekly goals and everything. It's just one diary that I always have. This is from 2021. I got this as a gift last year, but I wasn't able to complete all the pages. So I thought instead of throwing it away and getting a new one, let me just reuse this and see however many pages are left. I'm going to make the most of it. Now a little tip for your to-do list is I usually like to add just 3 things to my to-do list each day, so that way I don't feel overwhelmed with the number of things I have to do and I don't feel like I'm not being productive. It creates just the right balance for your daily goals. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the most important 3 things that I have to do today, and then I'll catch you guys. Time for hair care. One question I always get asked is how I maintain my hair's softness. I've mentioned multiple times in the past how much I love Parachute products, and if there's one brand that I've consistently used ever since I was a child, it's this. If you've been on my channel for quite some time, you already know that I've been using Parachute products very loyally. For mom, for Nani, for everybody else, the blue Parachute bottle has been everybody's favorite. For a while now, I've been oiling my hair with the Parachute Advanced Aloe Vera Hair Oil, and it's done wonders for my hair, guys. This oil keeps my hair nourished, and it has the goodness of coconut oil, which we all know is super important for nourished, healthy hair, and it has the moisturizing properties of aloe vera that deeply condition my hair and leave it super soft. I also love that it's really non-sticky and very lightweight. Like it's literally super non-sticky. So I usually oil my hair twice a week, and each time I leave it for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then I wash it off with a mild shampoo. All in all, I can tell you that my hair hasn't felt dry or frizzy no matter what the weather is, and I feel like this is even evident on camera. It feels super soft and healthy, and if you guys want to get your hands on this oil, I will leave the link down below in the description box, so make sure you have a look. But to be honest, this is my personal recommendation always. I'm going to go and wash my hair in a while, but for now, let's go make some breakfast.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Now I always have my morning cup of hot chocolate with Nanu and Nani. They have tea, I have hot chocolate, but I feel like this early morning, not early morning, but morning cup of tea, coffee, milk, whatever you have gives a great kickstart to the entire day. And when I was in London, it just made me realize even more that you need to have this kind of family time. Just take out some time for your family, for, you know, just sit down with your grandparents, your parents, and just talk to them. It is always a great kickstart. And Candy was here, she's gone outside. But anyway, I'm ready with my cup of hot chocolate, and I'll have some biscuits with that.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling.
Cheers!
Cheers!
What a lovely piece of Indian bread I'm having as my breakfast.
Oh, nice.
Everything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around.
I'm wearing this green top and my blue jeans, and I feel like when you get ready, even if you're working from home, you end up feeling a lot more productive and very motivated to ace the day. I'll be applying some cream and some lipstick. Because my hair is still damp, I will be going ahead with the oil again and use it as a serum. This just gives it extra conditioning. Staying at home, but believe me when I say this, even if you get dressed a little and you put in a little bit of effort, you wear a good outfit, you take care of your hair, trust me, this can be a game changer. It boosts your mood, it boosts your motivation levels, and it helps you stay productive throughout the entire day. It's worked so many times for me, and I cannot recommend this enough. Next up, I'm going to be journaling. Now I try to journal every day, but sometimes, to be honest, I do skip out. I'm trying to get back into the habit, and I prefer completing it in the morning when I have a fresh mind. So I write down about the previous day, how I felt, what I'm grateful for, and believe me, writing a journal is really fun and it's a super relaxing activity. And these times can be distressing, guys, when we're all staying at home, or at least trying to. So if you're feeling even a tad bit uncomfortable, try journaling it out. It does make a difference. So now it's time to actually get started with work. So today I have a meeting with the content team. So I'm going to do that. I'm just looking at my calendar right now. Then I have a shoot. So I have to prepare for that. And then a couple of lectures to watch and readings to do for college. And then a seminar to attend for college. And then I'll show you what I'm studying and everything else. And then I have to edit a bunch of videos. So that's how my workload looks for today. It's not too much. It's literally how an ideal day in my life would look like. I do have a couple of day in my life videos as well. So I'll link them right here if you want to have a look at those. But that's it for my morning routine. I'm going to see you after I've done the lectures and readings and everything else. To be honest, I think our lifestyles have changed a lot in the last 2 or 3 years, and uncertainty has very much become a part of it. But even then, I feel it's important to keep moving on, to keep doing something or the other, something productive, so that you don't feel bogged down, because these times can really be distressing. But if you have a routine set in place, it can be very, very helpful. So start your day on a productive note, and most importantly, take care of yourself and love yourself. Everything eventually turns out just fine. Now for now, I'm going to go have lunch, but I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my productive morning routine. Once again, the link to the hair oil that I used is down in the description box below, so make sure you have a look. I would 110% recommend this. If you liked the video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos do you guys want to watch. And if you're new over here, I would absolutely love for you to join the family by clicking the subscribe button. I do make a lot of these vlogs, and once I'm back in London, I will be making a lot of London vlogs as well. One last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram very often. My profile is right here on the screen, so make sure you come check out my Instagram as well. I would love for you to join us over there as well, and I'm going to see you next time. Till then, bye bye.